everyone, especially St. Edmunds. St. Edmunds has supported me a lot. I believe in the proverb which says where there is a will and there is a way. So it was my will to come into top 10 in the merit list of Meghalaya, but then I thought I can't achieve it. But then fortunately I achieved it. And then I'm very nervous and I can't speak right now. But then I want to thank my teachers, especially my tuition teachers. Even he helped me so much. The school teachers, the subject teachers, and everyone, the entire Edmunds. Unfortunately, the past principal is not here right now, Brother Benjamin. I would like to thank him too. He was the great motivation for me. That's it. Thank you so much.
What was your preparation strategy? You know, how many hours did you give in every day?
Being consistent is very important. It's not that I have to study 24/7. The basic thing which I did was the regular revisions. I was very attentive in class. I never studied 24/7, but then whenever my teachers, they used to explain me anything in the class, I used to be very attentive. I never blinked also in the class because I used to be that much attentive in the class. So, and then the Saturday, Sunday, I used to utilize them very well. And I'm very I love traveling. So I traveled, most of the time I used to travel every here and there, but I never studied 24/7. So it's not compulsory that you have to study all the time. Be consistent, but whenever you will study wholeheartedly, and then make sure that whatever you're studying, you understand them well. And if you have any doubt, make sure to ask them to your teachers. This is how I always irritated all my subject teachers because miss, what is that, miss, what is this, why this happened and all. So this is how I finally achieved my goal.
What
are your
plans
future
next?
plans?
Next I'm planning for CA, for Chartered Accountancy, and then I hope I can achieve that too. At all. I love my phone and social media. I used to stick with my phone. My mom, even my mom, she never shouted that why don't you study, you're using phone. She always trusted me, she believed me that yes, I can do well. So no one pressurized me. That's how I balanced everything. Even social media, whenever I need to study, I studied. I never studied during the day hours because it was not possible for me to study during those time. Every time whenever I studied, it was the night hours, starting from 12 a.m. till morning 7 a.m. during exam time, and the rest I studied only on Saturday and Sunday. Even Monday to Friday I never studied because I used to be very tired.